Ready to go, Jaisalmer. It will be a fantastic journey. Let's join us. Here, cheers. Ready to travel? Ready to travel? Very nice.
Good evening. Namaste. I'm your storyteller Samir. Today I'm going to have a long night journey which is starting from Jaipur and I'm moving to Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer, the city which is famous for its beautiful forts and palaces over there. Majorly it is called as the Golden City. I'm going to participate as well as to enjoy the desert festival. It will be the first festival after the COVID situation throughout the Rajasthan. So I will be taking you over there, and tomorrow, day after tomorrow, as well as on the next day, means 27th of February, the desert festival will be there, and I will be live on Facebook as well as some other social media platforms, and will try to entertain you as well as try to give you information which are related to the music, dance, as well as history, culture, and so many things will be happening into the markets over there. Here, my boy Leo, who is 5.5 years now, is there to join me to participate into the desert festival over there, and we will be enjoying at the full length. So why you are going over there? Having the fun? Yes?
Yeah.
And jumping on the sand dunes?
Yeah.
And riding on the camels?
Yeah.
And having the jeep safari? So many things will be there, so enjoy. Yes, I'm going by train to Jaisalmer, and Indian railway journeys are always an experience, not only for the people who are coming from the different parts of the world, but even for us, means the native people of this country. Because of the corona, because of the COVID-19, the pandemic through which the world is going now, although you don't find much more crowd on these platforms, although it is something 1900 hours, the time is there, and my train is delayed about 2 hours because it is a long journey train which comes from top part of India, that is the northern part of the country, from Jammu and Kashmir areas. So it comes from Jammu and that will be going into the desert part of India in Rajasthan, and that will be Jaisalmer. So here my train is arriving, which will be taking nearly 10 hours from Jaipur to Jaisalmer, and there will be about 5 halts on the way. So here is the engine. And in Hindi it has been written Indian Railway, that is the first compartment over there, that is for the differently abled people, and each compartment has been marked with some numeric as well as the alphabet characters like S1, S2, S3. That means the sleeper class. Then they do have the air conditioned classes. Then they do have the general classes also. Even in the air conditioned coaches or in the compartments, they do have the different sections which we do call AC 1 tier, AC 2 tier, and AC 3 tier. According to the classes or the compartment, there are the different charges are there, different fare structures are there in the Indian Railway. There are so much fascinating journeys are there, beautiful colors of these compartments, a long history of the Indian Railway, which starts from the British period of the time when the first railway was started in a very small distance in Mumbai area, and later on expansion of the railway tracks was done during the time of the British era, and then post independence a lot of efforts were put to make train journeys much more affordable, convenient for the people.